Machine learning, explained to kids. Machine learning is like a smart computer system that learns from examples to make decisions and predictions, just like you learn to solve puzzles. Machine learning in everyday life. ML is like a smart friend who learns from examples to help with tasks, like predicting what you might like or recognizing faces in photos. Netflix suggests shows based on what you watch. Phones recognize faces to unlock. Games adjust difficulty as you play. Machine learning versus humans. ML is like a super fast learner that can process lots and lots of information quickly, but it doesn't have feelings or creativity like humans. Machine learning is a tool that helps us, but it's the human brain that makes it work and uses it smartly. Get trained by an industrial expert in data science, AI and ML to get into the IT industry. Enroll now.